Hello learners, today we'll be learning Roman numerals using the place value table. Alright, so let's start from the unit part. We have 1. Roman numeral 1, that is I. Roman numeral 2, that will be I. Roman numeral 3, we have I. Roman numeral 4, that is I, V. Roman numeral 5, that is V. Roman numeral 6, that is V, I. Roman numeral 7, that is V, I. Roman numeral 8, we have V, I. Roman numeral 9, that is I, X. So this is the unit place. We have 1 to 9. So let's move to 10's place. So Roman numeral 10 is X. 20, that'll be double X. Roman numeral 30, we have X. Roman numeral 40, that's 50 minus 10. That will give us XL. Roman numeral 50, L. 60, LX. 70, that is LXXX. Roman numeral 80, that is LXXX. Roman numeral 90, that will give us XC. So we're done with the tens place. So we move to the hundreds place. You can see we have 100, that will give us C. 200, C. 300, that's C. 400, that is 500 minus 100, that will give C. 500, that is D. 600, that's DC. That's 500 plus 100. So 700, 500 plus 200, that's DCC. 800, 500 plus 300, that's DCCC. Then 900, that will give us CM, which is 1000 minus 100. So we go to the thousands place. We have M for 1000, MM for 2000. We have 3000, that will give M and M. So 4000, yes, for 4000 we have M V bar. V bar means 5000. 5000 minus 1000, that will give us 4000. Or you can say IV bar. Oh, sorry, encroach into 5000. 5000 is V bar. So we are going to use this for some examples. So you need to learn from the unit parts. 1 is I, 2, I, 3, I, 4, IV, 5, V, 6, VI, 7, VII, 8, VII, 9, IX. Then the same thing for the tens place. You can see we have 10x, 20xx, 30xxx, 40xl, 50l, 60lx, 70lxx, 80lxxx, 90xc. Then we move to the hundreds place. We have 100C, 200cc, 300ccc, 400cd, 500d, 600dc, 700dcc, 800dccc, 900cm, 1000, that's what, m, 2000 mm, 3000 mm, 4000 mv bar or IV bar, 5000 V bar. So let's move to some examples. So we'll be looking at the first example here. So we are writing 78 as Roman numerals. So we have 70 and 8. So you put your unit, and your tens on it. So we have 70 plus 8. Okay, I believe you still remember what 70 is. So 70, that will give us LXXX, then plus 8, which is VIII. So we're going to join them together, and that is going to give us the answer, which is going to be LXXVIII. So we move to the next. So we put your unit and your tens. I believe you remember this is 35, what our unit and tens are in Roman numerals. So we have 30, we're going to split it by using the expansion form. 30 plus 5. I believe you remember what 30 is from the table. So 30 will give us x, then plus 5, which is V. So we join them together. That will be x, V. Can you see that? Good. So let's go to the next example. We have 999. So I'm going to put my unit 10. So this is in hundreds place. So 100. So that means I'm having 900 plus 90 plus 9. Can you see that? So what is 900 in Roman numerals? So 900, that is going to give, that's CM, that's 900, 90, that's XC, that's the tens, and 9, which is IX. So we're going to join them together. That will give CMXCIX. Can you see that? Easy, right? So we're going to do the same thing for the next example. We have unit, tens, and 100. So we're going to split them using the expansion method as well. We have 200 plus 60 plus 4. So 200 in Roman numeral is CC, then 60, that's LX, then plus 4, which is IV. So together, that is going to give me CCLXIV. Okay, so still have more example to go. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So that is, it's going to give us up to 1,000. So let's go. We have units, we have tens, we have 100, and 1,000. That's TH. So that means we have 1,000. Sorry, that's a bit tiny there. So we have 1,600. We have 600. And we have the tens place, which is 70. You will notice the unit place, there's no digit there. So we stop at 70. So what is 1,000? 1,000 is M, then plus 600, which is D, C, that's our 600, then 70, which is what? L, X, X. Can you see that? Pretty easy. So join them together, which is M, D, C, L, X, X. So the last example, we have still write our unit, tens, 100, and 1,000. Whoa, so we have 4,000, 400, plus 60 plus 9. So if you remember, 4,000 can be written in two ways. So whichever method one you want to pick, which is fine, but I'm going to use here. So for 4,000, I'm going to use M, V, bar, plus 400. That is going to give us what? C, D, then it's my D. I need to write my D properly. CD plus 60, that's LX, then plus 9, which is MDCLXIX. So joining them together, I'm having M V bar C D L X and IX. You can see that it's very much easy to write Roman numerals using the place value, which is very, very, very easy to write. So keep practicing and you get perfect. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to use the place value chart to write from Roman numerals to Arabic numerals.